Bishop James Memorial Rural Healthcare Center, Uttar Kumarpara, Mohit Nagar, District Jalpaiguri, PIN 735102, West Bengal. Brief history. A brief history of the arrival of Daughters of Charity to Mohit Nagar, Jalpaiguri Catholic Diocese, West Bengal, India. It was the expressed need of the local people, the clergy and the religious communities of Jalpaiguri Catholic Diocese to have a health care center. Right Reverend Bishop James Topo had requested Provincial Superior to start a hospital in the area that would facilitate to take care of the health of the poor patients of Jalpaiguri and nearby districts of West Bengal. Most of the people are daily laborers in the tea gardens, which belong to the landlords and private companies. In response to the request, the bishop invited the Daughters of Charity in the year 2003 and provided the land for hospital. This was first hospital that was to come in Jalpaiguri Catholic Diocese. The construction of new hospital building took almost 3 years' time to complete. The financial aid was received from Manas Unidas from Spain for the construction of ground floor of the building. The new hospital building, Jalpaiguri Catholic Diocese was very glad to receive the Daughters of Charity. It was the desire and initiative of the former bishop, late James A. Topo. Thus, why the name of the hospital is named after him, Bishop James Memorial Rural Healthcare Center. Pinpoint of the location. Bishop James Memorial Rural Healthcare Center is located at Mohit Nagar, District Jalpaiguri, West Bengal, India. It is almost 5 kilometers away on the west of Jalpaiguri main town, and it is 42 kilometers from Siliguri and about 596 kilometers north of Kolkata, the capital of the state of West Bengal. The nearest airport, Bagdogra, is about 50 kilometers. The easiest and cheapest way to reach Mohit Nagar is by train from Kolkata railway station to Jalpaiguri Road railway station or New Jalpaiguri railway station. It takes almost 9 to 13 hours depending on the type of train. By flight from Kolkata to Bagdogra is about 1 hour. Economic situation. The economy of Jalpaiguri is essentially agriculture based. The tea industry is the main source for the survival of the people. Tea is widely cultivated in the plains, and Jalpaiguri is the second largest producer of tea in West Bengal. The brand Jalpaiguri tea is extremely popular worldwide. So most of our patients are coming from these tea gardens and they receive minimum daily wage. We also try to employ a good number of hospital staff from these tea gardens and train them to work in the hospital in order to uplift them from their miserable life. Bishop James Memorial Rural Healthcare Center makes a difference from other health centers by their dedicated quality service with simplicity and following the charism of the holy founders, Saint Vincent de Paul and Saint Louis de Marilla. The poor patients can get treatment with a very minimum and affordable rate. So the number of patients and doctors increased and the hospital started to develop very fast. The daily coming of more number of patients was the pressing need for the accommodation to our hospital. We added the first floor to the existing health center in the year 2016. With this addition, we managed Bengal. From this time onwards, the nursing students from the Institute of Bevis HP 05, Verplinkunde, Cartridge, Belgium, started to come to our hospital for study experience. By this, the students gained knowledge of tropical diseases and a wide knowledge of internationality in the nursing service. They worked together with a staff in the hospital and learned the different culture and customs, which enriched them as well as our hospital staff to gain knowledge and to work together with an international team. We also collaborate with some NGO, Bright Future Company, Skills Private Limited, who has short nursing.
We are able to provide water facility to the different departments of the hospital